Alright, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be looking at pages. We're going to look at how to create a new page, how to delete a page, how to restore a page in case you delete a page and you decide you want it back, just like your recycle bin. Okay, so in order to do that we need to go to pages and let's click on all to see we have a page at the moment. We have our sample page and we have a privacy policy page. Okay, currently the privacy policy says it's on draft. We're just gonna let it be like that. For the sample page we don't need that, just click on trash now to delete it. Now let's go to trash and you see you have the opportunity to restore it. You can click on it to restore it back and see no more on our trash. We can go back to all. This time around trash it again and go back to trash and delete permanently. Once you do this you're not getting this page back, so be sure you want to do this. Okay, now next thing we're gonna do is create a new page. In order to do that, just simply click on this add new. Okay, and that's it. You need to give your page a name, and for this I'm going to call it home, and then scroll down and click on publish and you've created a new page. It's going to take a couple of seconds in order to publish our page and we're done. Okay, now let's create some more pages. Go to new. When you click on this it will automatically create a page, but you can also select whatever you want. Let's go and click page, create a couple of pages. Let's create about, click publish, let's add another one. I'm going to click on add services and publish. I'm going to create one more. I'm going to create another one, contact, and publish. And that is all for creating pages. In the next video we are going to look at posts. Okay, so see you in the next video.